Hold on tight, SUV lovers, because what I'm about to show you will completely change the way you think about family SUVs forever. Get ready for the 2026 KGM Rexton, and trust me, it's a game changer. Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the highly anticipated 2026 KGM Rexton. This isn't just another SUV, it's a statement. KGM, formerly SsangYong, is back with a vengeance, and the Rexton is leading the charge. From the bold new exterior design, think sculpted lines, commanding grille, and those sleek LED headlights to the luxurious and tech-packed interior, this SUV screams premium, talking high-quality materials, a massive infotainment, screen, and all the latest driver assistance features you could ask for. But it's not just about looks. KGM has also packed the 2026 Rexton with a powerful engine, promising a smooth and responsive driving experience. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling some light off-roading, we'll be digging into the engine specs in more detail later, but trust me, it's got the power to back up its aggressive styling. This Rexton feels bigger and more substantial than its predecessor, offering ample space for passengers and cargo, making it the perfect choice for families or anyone who needs a versatile and capable SUV. Let's talk about the interior, because honestly, it's where the 2026 KGM Rexton truly shines. The cabin is bathed in premium leather and soft-touch materials, creating a truly luxurious atmosphere. The seats are incredibly comfortable, offering plenty of support for long journeys. And the tech is top-notch. The massive infotainment screen is crisp and responsive, and it integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get a digital instrument cluster, which is customizable and easy to read. But it's not just about the flashy features. KGM has also paid attention to the details. The stitching is impeccable, the buttons feel solid and well-damped, and the overall fit and finish is excellent. Rear passengers will also appreciate the generous legroom and headroom, as well as the dedicated climate controls. And let's not forget about the panoramic sunroof, which floods the cabin with natural light and creates an airy and spacious feel. This Rexton is clearly designed with comfort and convenience in mind, making it a joy to drive and ride in no matter the distance. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. While KGM hasn't officially announced pricing for the 2026 Rexton, we expect it to be competitively priced within its segment. This means it will likely undercut some of the more established players, offering a compelling value proposition for buyers who are looking for a premium SUV without breaking the bank. Keep an eye on our channel for updates on pricing and availability as soon as we get them. We'll also be doing a full review of the 2026 KGM Rexton as soon as we get our hands on one. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. We'll be putting it through its paces, testing its performance, handling, and fuel economy, and giving you our honest and unbiased opinion. Until then,